What's up, YouTube fam? Welcome back to my channel. This is Nicole. My channel is all about DIYs at home, everything from hair to home. So we are going to be reviewing this Llano hair dryer, you guys. I want to say thank you to our video sponsor Llano for sending me this hair dryer, allowing me to choose a color, and really just giving me the opportunity to experience their product. So thank you, Llano, for this hair dryer. We're going to get into it. This is the unboxing right here. It comes with this little comb, comes with instructions. This is so cool, y'all. I'll show y'all how to open it in a second, but this really caught my attention when Llano reached out to me because it's supposed to dry, like really cut your hair drying time in half. And y'all know I love that because I have really thick curly hair, and it, you know, sometimes if you don't have a handle on it, it can take forever to dry your hair. So this is just the unboxing again. Super cool. You just twist this to open it. So this dryer is super portable, really good for traveling. And I just thought this was super cute, and I really wanted to try it and put it to the test. It has both hot and cold settings, so if you don't want to, you know, put too much heat, you can use the cool settings. And there are also 3 different levels to the settings. So super cool, on off button, really simple, multiple attachments, and the attachments literally just connect like magnets pretty much. So you just put it there. This is the diffuser attachment. Boom, it's on, it's ready to go. And we're gonna get into this. So this is the unboxing, like I said, and then we'll get into just showing you how it works on my hair and what I think about it. Really super, although it's sponsored, although this was given to me, I'm gonna always keep it real with you guys and let you know what I really think, if it works. But again, this is supposed to cut your hair drying time in half. So we're gonna see how that goes. I'll let you know. They use an ion neutralizing technology to remove static electricity and promotes effective hair care. So that's great. It's very lightweight, and like I said, it's portable. You can fold it, easy for traveling, especially if you're going to somewhere where there's water and you want to get in the water with your natural hair, but you also want to be able to, you know, dry it with good technology. And I thought this was super cute too. It comes with the little travel bags. You can put, you know, your dryer and fold it and put your attachments in there as well. And so that's super cute. I really love the packaging of this. This is super chic, super innovative, super techy is like the design. So I think it really goes with what the product is supposed to do. All right, y'all, so we're about to put this dryer to the test. Y'all know I've been using, if you have seen my channel before, I normally use, I don't know what it's called. I have my good old faithful blow dryer pretty much. I don't have to shout the brand out, but I'm gonna test this Llano blow dryer. This is for my curly girls, my natural girls, my ethnic girls, multicultural girls, my thick hair girls. All right, let me use this one, this attachment. Okay, just washed my hair, conditioned it real good. Gotta put some heat protectant on. This is my Taraji P. Henson heat protectant. I love it so much. I'll link it if you guys want. I'll also link the hair dryer because I didn't say that, but I'll link that in the description in case you guys want to check it out. Just using my brush to detangle like I normally do. So I'm doing my same type of routine just with a new product. This is the cutest blow dryer. So there is the hot cold setting. I am going to use hot. That's just what works the best for my hair. I am like limiting heat on my hair, so I'm not really flat ironing my hair for the rest of the month, of the year. So hopefully this does a good job of straightening, like drying it, detangling it and straightening it. So I think, let's see, 3 seconds cold and heat cycle here. All right, I don't know what to do, but let's see. And I know there's instructions. I haven't even looked at them. Probably should, right? After washing your hair, detangle, that did that. Adjust the temperature. All right, let's just do it. Okay, y'all, so This actually is drying my hair super fast. Like, no lie, it's getting my hair straight super fast. Now, I will say I've seen other reviews from this product in, you know, women with different hair textures. I did not expect to walk away from this blow drying session with something that I can go outside with that's super sleek. But I will say I was pleasantly surprised with the outcome, because it's almost to the point where I can walk out with a straight look that I'm okay with walking out the house with. I have seen other reviews where people have used the blow dryer and it's like a very sleek look, but again, they have a different hair texture. So I'm glad to show this review with my hair texture, because for me at least, it didn't really give me a super polished end result. I'm gonna let y'all keep watching, but it definitely got my hair super straight in a good amount of time, super quick. So I do believe that their ion neutralizing technology definitely helps cut down the drying process. And another thing I will say is, so I use the hot setting, right? And with my normal Old Faithful blow dryer, I burn myself a lot. During this session, I didn't burn myself at all, but the heat was still there for my hair. It was like a good amount of heat, but I didn't feel it. Like, my scalp didn't feel burnt from it, if that makes sense. I don't know how, it must be the technology, but it did a good job of straightening my hair with heat without burning me. And I think that was a super plus, because that doesn't normally happen with blow dryers. I'm gonna let y'all keep watching, but again, I think this blow dryer is super cool. I'll let y'all just look and see for yourselves how it's straightening my hair. Again, it didn't take long at all, but this is one side. Like, it's super straight, for real. Like, some people flat iron their hair and it looks like this. Y'all know I have my good old faithful flat iron, so it, you know, it gets straighter than this. But good job, Llano. Y'all did what y'all was supposed to do, what y'all said y'all was gonna do with this blow dryer. And like, I definitely give it, you know, I don't know what the rating would be. I don't want to say 10 out of 10, because I definitely didn't get like the polished look that I would love, but maybe like a 9 out of 10. Super effective, cuts down your blow drying time. So if you know, want to cut down blow drying time and not be stressed out with the blow drying process, I would definitely say check it out. Super lightweight, and I definitely think I'm going to be using this. The only downside, it doesn't come with the comb attachment like I have for my normal blow dryer. It comes with the brush attachment, so I ended up you know, using this attachment here and using my brush with it, because I love my comb attachment. But other than that, I think that's the only reason I would give it a 9 out of 10 instead of 10 out of 10. Okay, y'all, so this is the final look. It's super straight, right? It did a good job. It's just not like that polished look, right? And I think maybe if I go over it one more time, or if I had my comb attachment, it would be flatter. But y'all know me, if you have seen my channel before, I like a super sleek, straight look, almost like how it looks when I pull it down like this. But it does get super straight. It's just that I will need to go over with at least one pass of my flat iron to get the walk out the door look. But overall, super, you know, effective blow dryer, super fast process, and definitely good for my curly girls. I'm gonna try it on my daughter's hair soon, her almost 4C hair, and I'll let y'all know what I think on that. But stay tuned for the next video.